Being alone is not merely the absence of company. It is a profound moment when your soul is free to engage in a deep dialogue with the divine and with yourself, guiding your decisions about life. While the world may question your choice to walk this path solo, remember that true self-discovery occurs in solitude. It's not about escaping the world, but about diving deep into your essence. Reflecting on yourself can catalyze transformative change, and when you emerge, you'll radiate inspiration and light to others. If you find yourself alone on your spiritual journey, don't feel dismayed or think you've made a mistake. Such moments are vital, as they allow you to encounter the essence of your being, listen to the echoes of your deepest longings, and uncover the unspoken dreams harbored in your heart. Being alone compels you to venture inward, the most crucial journey of your life, where you become keenly aware of your internal landscape. This is the origin of everything. In isolation, you are compelled to seek solutions independently, navigating and releasing past traumas and reshaping your thought patterns. You envision a desired future, and the universe acknowledges your deep longing, guiding you into solitude to foster understanding. This isolation is necessary to mold you into the person you aspire to be. A new life demands a fresh environment, mindset, beliefs, and perspectives. Embrace this change, for it aligns with your deepest desires. During this journey, your beliefs play a significant role. The views you hold, influenced by society and your circle, may not align with your true desires. Being alone allows you to recognize and question these influences, helping you realize that you were never meant to conform. You are a leader by nature, a truth often suppressed during upbringing. Now, in solitude, you have the chance to start anew, adopting a fresh way of thinking. This transformation, challenging to achieve amid constant social interaction, teaches you the art of self-love. True love starts within and extends outward, influencing every aspect of your life. As you nurture your soul with compassion and kindness, you become a vessel of love, overflowing with the capacity to uplift and inspire others. Empower yourself on this journey to reclaim and embody your spiritual energy, establishing boundaries with toxic relationships that drain you. Many spiritually inclined individuals grow up as people pleasers, becoming empaths sensitive to others' energies. Once you reclaim your energy and learn to maintain it, your power grows immensely. In solitude, you learn to be comfortable with your true, authentic self, shedding societal masks and expressing yourself without fear of judgment. This liberation turns you into a beacon of light, encouraging others to embrace their uniqueness. Understand that on this chosen path, you are destined for greatness. Some may never experience their true spiritual gifts, but you are on the brink of unconditional love and liberation from pain, profound emotions that many yearn for. Be grateful for the opportunity to experience a spiritual awakening, as your life is poised to become truly extraordinary. You are on the cusp of realizing your deepest desires, with the universe and the divine as your ultimate support. On this journey, understand that although you may lack physical companionship, you are never truly alone. There is a special connection you already have, or will soon discover, that will transform your life. Remember, this spiritual journey deepens your connection with the divine, with God, and with your true self. You'll realize you don't need anyone else to feel complete. All the love and validation you seek comes from within. As you stand alone, you become aware of your role as a creator and master of manifestation. Embrace the transformative power of solitude and honor the divine wisdom that unfolds within the sanctuary of your soul. Here, you will discover the true essence of your being, the light that guides you, and the boundless love that dwells within. Thank you for being here. Your support means the world to me. I would be incredibly grateful if you could share and leave a comment on my content. Wishing you a truly beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.